Hello, I'm Cecile. I'm a reflexologist from Baby Reflexology. Today I'm going to show you how to soothe your baby with Baby Reflexology. The first thing you always do is always ask your baby if he wants a treatment. And you will always know when you touch their feet, they actually either put their feet away or just leave them in your hand. So it's a very good sign for them to say yes. Yes, I agree, Daddy. Yes, I agree, Mummy. I want a treatment. So just ask your baby if you can give a treatment. So today we are going to show you how to soothe your baby. So the best way to think of is when you have a nice massage, it's really nice to have your back of your neck and your spine all massaged all the way down. So that's what we are doing. We're actually massaging it and calming, really helping baby to be calm. And the reflex point on your baby foot, but same for adults reflexology, it's on the side of your foot here, all the way down here. And if you calmly and lightly massage your baby foot, just a very light touch, the intention will tell you, and you will know. And sometimes you will massage and you suddenly will stop in some areas, and it's because baby is telling you, I really like that, please keep doing it, I like that area. And you can do it on the other foot too, the same. So as you can see, I just use different fingers. It's what you feel comfortable to touch your baby's foot. Yes, no right and wrong. It's the love and the intention of a parent and a carer, which is the most important one. So all the way down. The other way too is just calming around the neck and the shoulders. You know, when they just cry and they just, oh, so sad. Calm. We want you to calm down. It's just at the base of the big toe. If you just massage all the way here from the side to the base here, all the way. Just a gentle touch. Baby will really like that. Just a gentle one here. But remember, always ask permission to your baby if you can give a treatment, and explain what you do, because baby likes, to be taught. We enjoyed, I don't really want someone to give me a massage and not going to tell me, oh well, I'm going to work on your spine a bit harder than usual, or it will be first on your foot. It's really important for us. It's just think of it. And this, by calming, is actually calming down the central nervous system, so you have a nice calm baby, and a very nice effective and gentle technique to do at night time or before bed, or when they're just crying. Just enjoy it. Your baby will tell you if he likes it or not. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact me via my website, Baby Reflexology, and do let me know how you get on. And thank you for watching. Bye.